Hey teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to make house bath salts, Harry Potter house bath salts. So you'll need gel food coloring. The colors are going to be red, yellow, and green that you use out of this classic color box. And then you'll also need to get black, which I found black at Hobby Lobby. The others I found at Walmart. Then you'll also need Epsom salt, which you can get at Walmart or any place like that. And coconut oil, you can also get that Walmart, Kroger, places like that. You're going to need some bowls because you can actually do all of the house colors and put each house color in one jar. So you put your Epsom salt, which I used about a half a cup. The instructions that I'm going to include with this video, you use a little bit more than that, but I was just kind of trying it out and see how it did. And coconut oil, I used about a half a tablespoon of that. And as you can see, this is the yellow, and you just mix it up with the food coloring until you get it the color you want it to be. And then this is the red. And again, just keep mixing in the food coloring until you get it as dark as you want it to be. And then you layer it. So as you can see, these are the layers. So I put yellow first, then red, yellow, then red, and then just put the lid on top. These jars, you can also get them at Walmart or online. They're just the mason jars. So that's basically it. Just follow the instructions and the link that's in there or the video, and thank you for joining us. You have a good day. Bye.